Welcome to Unit4 PSA Resource Management. We are in the section Projects, and we are in our project M&A Request for Ideas, where we navigate directly to our Gantt chart. The Gantt chart sits in PSA, so it doesn't integrate outside PSA. Now, when we look at our timeline and our activities, we can see that we have within planning meeting, planning internal, all kinds of activities. Now when we click on those activities, for example, this activity where we need the audit team, I can now directly see the budget I have. So we've got 8 hours over 4 days. And we've got a resource request status. Now I would like to find someone that fulfills specific requirements. That can either be on legal entity, region, hour type, and of course your availability. At this moment I want to find someone that understands the English language and understands the skill IFRS 16. If I see which resources apply to that resource request based on skills, is this person. Now I can directly select the person and add the selected resource. Therefore, I can also create an appointment in the Outlook agenda. I can also go into the resources and replace the requested team with the required resource. So for example, I want to allocate this person on this activity. Once I click on OK, it will be assigned to Bas as a tentative, so in the requested setting. So I'm now going to create an appointment in the Outlook agenda and click on OK. If we now take the step towards the utilization overview, we can directly see how well populated all our resources are. Therefore, I'm navigating to the second tab. You will see that I've requested the full visibility for my audit team over the timeline of July and August. Now, when I refresh the information, you will directly see any information populated directly for this specific resource. Now we can see that the requested activity is booked at the resource, providing a full overview of the utilization on a daily basis. This means that activities are added up to provide full visibility. A resource manager can then approve so that the resource becomes a project team member. Once a project team member, you can start booking your time and expenses. You refresh the information, the yellow outlining has disappeared, and you can see the full visibility. You can also see the full visibility of Mark Jacobs, that he's very much occupied. We are going to solve the puzzle for Mark Jacobs. Mark Jacobs runs 2 projects, and the hours added up per day are more than his work hour schema allows. He actually works 8 hours a day. So the activity for tax work, we are going to reassign that to someone within the team that can do that specific work. I think Louis Johnson is capable of doing so. So we're going to reassign the activity. We're going to find Louis Johnson. And we're going to assign the activity to Louis. The activity is reassigned, retrieve the information, and we have solved our puzzle. So the utilization sheet provides a color-coded indication based on the work hour schema of a specific user directly into PSA Suite connected to your project. Now when I'm navigating back to the project and I'll refresh the information, you'll see that the thick outlining has disappeared and Bas is now confirmed on the task. He will also be a team member, and he can start booking his time and expenses. So we've created a Gantt chart from a project template with a budget. We've assigned a resource based on skills or based on the request. In the utilization sheet, it shows you that there's requested status on the activity. A resource manager can then approve. The project owner of the project activity will become a team member of the team and can start booking his time and expenses. This concludes the introduction video of resource management.